What is going on, B-Risers? We be rising every day. Be smelling the flowers every day. Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you've had a wonderful holiday season, and we're in a new year. And a new year is a new start, a fresh start to create healthier habits for yourself. And today I wanted to just share another juice that I'm doing and how we can really come back on track. If you may have gotten off track, that's okay. It's all about getting back on track and detoxing, cleaning up the body, cleaning out your pipes. And I'm gonna come out with a video on constipation, because some people have asked me about that, especially after the holidays. And so I'm going to have a video specifically about constipation. But what I want to say is, with the new year in 2020, I really think it's going to be the time of new beginnings for people really working on themselves, and we're not going to make sickness and being miserable the norm anymore. We want to make health and happiness the norm, right? So many people out there, a lot of people have serious health problems, and acne, and so many skin issues and bowel problems. So really what I like to focus on is hydration and cleaning out the body with fresh, a lot of raw living food, organic of course, and cleaning out the pipes, right? You may have gone like really off the path, and that's okay. It's all about getting back on the path, and this is what I feel this new year is going to be about, is really focusing on yourself, focusing on your dreams, focusing on your happiness and your health, and making that priority. And making that the norm, right? We don't want to make being sick, unhappy, miserable, depressed the norm. And that's what I find so many people are struggling with. So we want to make sure we're getting some exercise, adequate sunlight. That's so important. Vitamin D. I do take a vitamin D supplement as well up north here. There's not much sun, as you can tell. I'm like in the dark here. But we still be shining, we still be rising, and we be making a juice. So what do I like to introduce to people that are, just wanting to create healthier habits? So we want to look at replacing unhealthy habits with healthier ones. So I know juicing can take a lot of time for people, a lot of preparation, but if you can do a juice every few days, some people do it every day, and that's amazing. But if you can do a juice every few days, or at least once a week, that's huge, because you're getting in high vitamin C rich foods, lots of minerals as well, and lots of vegetables, right? And you're hydrating your body, which is so important. We're also giving our body raw, live enzymes, right? So that's so important. Really good for taking out mucus too. So really bringing down inflammation and bringing up the immune system, the lymphatic system. So it helps to pump your lymphatic system with the raw living foods. And that's also going to give you more awareness, right? You're going to have more mental clarity. I find really eating lots of fresh fruits and vegetables just puts me in a high vibe mood. It takes me up and out. I be rising high to high levels. So that's what we want to do for this new year, is keep rising and keep giving our body healthy foods, and knowing that you deserve health and happiness, and to give yourself love. That's the best gift you can give yourself. So with that said, what do I have here? So leafy greens are always a part of my diet, whether that's huge salads, lettuce, I got some kale here. But high mineral rich foods are in the greens, as well as a lot of protein, right? And a lot of people out there are depressed, so we want to look at whole foods and increasing magnesium as well. That's super important mineral. So we want to get from whole foods, and the greens are where it's at. Really also good for cleaning out the intestinal tract, especially if you can get in some salads. Now I got some celery here. Celery is always great. It's got that natural sodium mineral in it, so really good at balancing out our fluids and cleaning up the adrenal glands, the kidneys. So that's always great. I have some ginger here. Now I wish I had some turmeric because both of them are anti-inflammatory and very, very good, especially if you have any inflammation. So ginger is where it's at. And of course I have a whole lemon, high vitamin C, right? So if you have any colds, flus, lots of mucus, you want to start introducing high vitamin C rich foods. So that's going to be, your apples and your lemons. I love eating apples whole because it's really good fiber, really high in vitamin C as well. And that's all what we want, especially to clean up the lymphatic system, take out bacteria and parasites and fungus, yeast. So we want to really start cleaning up the GI tract, and that's where the apples and high vitamin C rich foods can do that. Really high oxygen rich foods too, which is your fruits and vegetables. So cucumber, high water content, so very hydrating, very alkalizing for the body. I always have cucumber. This is organic cucumber, and I always throw this in my juices or I eat it whole too, throw it on top of my salads. Really, really good for you, really good for hydrating your body. And so many people, especially after the holidays, after drinking lots of alcohol and a lot of, really dense foods, really hard on the body to digest, the fresh raw living foods is going to help to hydrate and start moving the bowels. So that's what we want, and that's what we're going to make today. So we're going to start hydrating the body, alkalizing the body, and giving our body raw live enzymes and minerals. So that's going to really help our lymphatic system and keep it clean. So I'm going to make the juice, and it's going to be here right now. Here we go, beautiful bees. Nice green juice for cleaning out your body after a lot of food that you may have eaten. I know I had a nice little break there, but now I'm getting back on track and it feels really good. So let's try this out. Nice cleanse for the body. So I'm going to enjoy this juice, and I wish you guys all the best this year. I wish you lots of happiness, health, of course, and freedom as well. So let's just keep working on ourselves, keep loving ourselves more and loving each other. And when we do that, we will all be rising.